Wind is one of the most abundant energy sources on Earth. Wind energy is completely renewable, completely green. And for the first time, wind energy costs can match fossil fuels dollar for dollar. At ArborWind, we have created a revolutionary wind turbine that will change the energy market forever. The majority of today's wind energy comes from utility-grade turbines. These machines utilize a horizontal axis design, which requires the turbine to face into the wind. Whenever the wind changes direction, a complex yaw drive mechanism is used to reorient the machine. This design limitation makes horizontal axis turbines overly complex, failure-prone, and extremely expensive to build and maintain. On the other end of the spectrum are small turbines designed for industrial and residential use. Many of these machines are unreliable, and most are too small to generate significant power. This leaves a large untapped market of buyers who need machines that are not only cost-effective, but also powerful enough to meet high energy demands. The ArborWind PT150 fills this gap in the market. Simple enough to be cost-effective, yet large enough to generate real power. The key to the PT150's cost efficiency is its vertical axis design, which allows the turbine to generate power regardless of its orientation to the wind. Our patent covers critical design features that will ensure that the PT150 remains a market leader in efficiency and long-term reliability. Levelized energy cost, or LEC, is a lifetime cost estimate that includes initial investment, operations and maintenance, fuel costs, and cost of capital. The PT150's LEC of 9 cents per kilowatt hour is competitive with residential utility rates and very competitive with other alternative energy sources. In short, the ArborWind PT150's combination of simplicity, reliability, and output makes it more cost efficient than any other product in the market. There should be no contradiction between environmental sustainability and economic viability. We have created a machine that is not only green, but also more economically compelling than any other solution.